Welcome to our shorthand lab Pragraj. Legal dictation स्पेशल फॉर झारखंड हाईकोर्ट एग्जाम 2023। स्क्रीन पर जो कुछ लिखा है एक बार ध्यान से पढ़ेंगे। चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो लाइक करिएगा, सब्सक्राइब करिएगा और टेलीग्राम लिंक से जरूर जुड़ जाइएगा। आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक दिया गया है, वहाँ के माध्यम से जुड़ जाएँ। ओके, आप डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं। बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण डिक्टेशन है, बिल्कुल बेस्ड है झारखंड हाईकोर्ट के लिए। नाउ रेडी, start. Having heard learned counsels for both sides and upon going through the record, we find that there is absolutely no evidence against these appellants connecting them with either of the offences charged. Full stop. There is no evidence on record to show that any witness had seen the appellants either committing rape upon the deceased or committing the murder of the deceased. Stop. There is no witness to the occurrence in the case. Stop. All the witnesses who have supported the case have only stated that they had seen the dead body from which it appeared that the deceased was murdered after committing the rape upon her, and there was a tractor engaged in lifting the sand from the river where the deceased had gone to wash the utensils, and they suspected that the persons employed on the tractor had committed the offense as the tractor was fleeing away in suspicious manner. Stop. Paragraph. We are of the considered view that on the basis of the evidence on record, even the circumstantial evidence is not there sufficient to connect the appellants to the offences charged. Stop. Indeed, there was ample scope of scientific investigation in the case, but that was also not done by the inquiry officer of Criminal Appeal number 379 of 2008. The case. Stop. In the facts of the case, the conviction and sentence of the appellants cannot be sustained in the eyes of law on the basis of the evidence on record. Stop. Para. Consequently, both these appellants are found not guilty and they are acquitted of the charges. Stop. The appellants are in custody undergoing the sentence. Stop. Let them be released and set at liberty forthwith if their detentions are not required in any other case. Stop. Before parting with this judgment, we wish to record that though there is no evidence against the appellants may be due to perfunctory investigation done by the inquiry officer, but the fact remains that the commission of rape upon the unfortunate victim girl and her murder is proved beyond all doubts. Stop. Para. In the facts of this case, we direct that PW 13 Sitaram Mandal be given due compensation under the Victim Compensation Scheme under Section 357A of the CRPC, for which we hereby direct the Member Secretary, Jharkhand State Legal Services Authority, Ranchi, to take appropriate steps in consultation with the Secretary of the concerned District Legal Services Authority, and to ensure that the appropriate compensation is paid to the aforesaid victim of crime at an early date. Stop. Let a copy of this judgment be communicated to the Member Secretary, Jharkhand State Legal Services Authority, Ranchi, for the needful. Stop. Para. This appeal is accordingly allowed with the direction as above. Stop. Let the lower court records be sent back to the court concerned forthwith along with the copy of this judgment. Stop. The accused persons are alleged to have abused and teased the informant, and on raising an objection she was threatened of commission of rape and murder stop. On 7/4/2021, they had misbehaved with her friend Sonali also stop. When the elder brother of the informant objected, he and his friend were brutally assaulted by the accused stop. Para. It appears from the 164 CRPC statement of the victim that she has not alleged anything against the present petitioner stop. ओके तो ये आपका टोटल 534 वर्ड्स का डिक्टेशन था। डिक्टेशन को लाइक ज़रूर करिएगा लिखने के बाद, इससे क्या होगा कि हमारा भी मोटिवेशन होगा और आप भी डिक्टेशन जो है रेगुलर लिख ही रहे हैं, और लिख करके टाइप जरूर करिएगा। ओके, और यहाँ जो कुछ लिखा है एक बार ध्यान से ज़रूर पढ़िएगा, आप ही के लिए सूचना लिखी गई है। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।